I am on patrol tonight, grandmother. The veil is opening.
The veil is not a door, child. It is a wound. And wounds invite scavengers. Do not run from them. Do not speak your name. Do not let them touch you.
Fey Hungerer, I know what you are. I will not let you pass. You cannot have the memories of the souls of Hollywood.
Little hunter, you carry a weapon, but not the will to use it. Let me pass.
Go back from whence you came. The veil will close soon.
But the door is open now. Why would I leave when I have just arrived? There are so many succulent souls in your little village. I must feed.
Oh no, you don't.
I shall return.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make a video just like the one we have just seen. I'm going to take you on a step-by-step tutorial of how to do this. Before we actually start creating our film, we want to create the script. For this, we are going to use Chatgpt to write our story. I asked Chatgpt to write me a short fantasy story. You can ask for any genre that you'd like your movie to be in. So Chatgpt gave me this fantasy script and it's really good. Now we need an AI image generator to create your characters for your film. We are going to use Leonardo AI to create our images. Click on Get Started. Enter a detailed prompt. I just gave ChatGPT my story and asked it for image prompts. So I'm going to enter the prompt here, then I'll keep the contrast on medium, keep generation fast to save credits. I want 16:9 here because I will turn these images into videos later. To control the number of images you get here, you need the paid version of Leonardo. Okay, let's see our images. I like this one. And these are the other images it generated. They're all really good. So keep generating all your image prompts until you have them all. Now that we have our visuals, let's bring them to life with voiceovers. Instead of recording manually, we're using Hailou AI Minimax, a super realistic AI voice generator. Go to Hailou AI Minimax and sign up. Paste your script into the text box. As you can see, we are in the audio section. Choose text to speech. Choose a voice type here. There are plenty of voices to pick from. Make sure your script is correct here. You can adjust pitch, speed to suit your needs. After I generate speech, this is what it sounds like.
The veil is not a door, child. It is a wound.
Generate dialogue or narration for each scene and save the files. Now, we're going to animate our AI-generated images and turn them into actual video clips using Hailou AI Video. Just come up here and click on Video. The fact that it's all happening on one platform is amazing. Hailou will show you videos generated by other creators and their prompts. Click on Create here. As you can see, I was already playing with it, but I don't like this video. So I'm going to come here and regenerate this again. I'm going to copy this prompt, paste it below my image, and then I'm going to tweak it. I'm going to remove all this and change fast to slow so I can control the motion blur I got the first time around. You can also insert camera movement here. Just pick one you like. I am going to leave this as it is. Click on these credits to start generating. It's gonna take a bit of time if you are not on the paid plan, but it's usually faster than the time shown here. Animate all your key scenes before moving to lip syncing. Click this button here to download your video. Do this with all your images, then download each clip and save them as MP4 files. For all the sound effects in your AI film, use ElevenLabs. Go to the website, create an account, choose sound effects. With ElevenLabs, you can create any sound effect you like by typing it in and generating. You can also ask Chatgpt to give you appropriate sound effects for each scene of your film. Okay, last step. We need to sync the voiceovers with the animated videos. For this, we're using DreamFace, an AI-powered tool that syncs lips perfectly to audio. Upload your video clips here and come to this side and upload your audio, then hit generate to sync your video and your audio. Download the final sync video. Sync all voiceovers to their respective video clips before final editing. Now, we put everything together and create a final AI movie. Use CapCut. For beginners, it has an easy drag and drop interface, or DaVinci Resolve for cinematic effects and pro editing, or Canva. I'm going to drop all my synced videos into CapCut. And there you have it, your very own AI-generated movie. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to see what you create. And I'll see you in the next one.